Thanks for joining us. This is another engineer, yes?
Yes, civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Give us your name.
Mark Tang, you?
Mark, what part of Trinidad are you from?
St. James.
St. James proper, the city that does not sleep. What is going to be your next course of study? What's the next step for you in your life?
Well, of course, right now I'm employed in Woodbrook with a consultant firm, but next couple of years I'll be ready for the master's degree. And after that, hopefully philosophy and doctorate.
I hear you already. I have a sense that they may not want to let you go because you're one of those graduates. I hear something like 90% of the graduates from UE are lapped up by the employer market right away, and you're now graduating, but you're already employed.
I've been employed for about 5 months now, actually. So yes, right now civil engineering is indeed a hot commodity right now. Everybody is pretty much employed from right after exams and starts work right around then.
What aspect of civil engineering do you see yourself pursuing full-time? I mean, we think of it in terms of buildings and roads, and there's a lot of development in our country that's happening. What aspect of it do you feel particularly called towards?
Well, I always love the structural design part of it, right? Looking into the reinforced concrete or structural steel and so on. It's a lot of things you could just play with as an engineer, and I think that is the rewarding part of being an engineer. Having to do these things to help the betterment of society and so on.
I'm going to tease you one final question. Tease you in the area of research because you want to come back, do your master's and PhD, yes, and the like. I mean, the University of the West Indies is very happy about the Genesis Pan, the G-Pan that has now come out of the university. A collaborative effort, mind you. Yeah. In your research, do you see yourself getting any inklings as to an angle of civil engineering that you feel that you will be exploring in the years to come?
What I think is affecting Trinidad and Tobago now is some of the materials being shortened, right? You have sand and gravel being on a good low down. Recycled concrete, which is basically using old concrete to make new concrete, is actually a very good venue for Trinidad and Tobago, and it's renewable side of things, construction-wise. Yeah.